Stay tuned and learn how to view the locally connected devices information on your manageable Ethernet switch via LLDP. LLDP is a Layer 2 based protocol which can automatically identify the connection between network devices and local area network. When you are operating a network, it is always crucial to know what other devices are connected via which interfaces of your network device. And for that, LLDP function can quickly display their unique identifying information. Let's configure and find out how it works. First, build a simulation scenario using two network switches. Let's call them Switch A and Switch B and a computer to demonstrate. Power up both network switches, connect Switch A to Switch B, and any of them to your computer. For communication purposes, configure the switches and the computer in the same network segment. On the computer, open up the Internet browser, and enter the IP address of Switch A in the search bar, which over here is 192.168.1.10.1. On the portal, enter the username and password, and then click Login. Go to the Diagnostics section on the main page, enable the LLDP in the LLDP settings screen, and click Submit. Till now, on Switch A, the LLDP function is enabled successfully. To achieve this function, LLDP needs to be enabled for all devices in your network, which supports the LLDP protocol. Now, repeat the same steps for Switch B. Similarly, in the search bar, enter the IP address of the Switch B 192.168.10.2, enter the username and password, and then click Login. Enable the LLDP function in the same way. Now to see the results, on both switches, reload the LLDP port state, and it will show all the neighboring devices information.